Let's go get Indigo. There's Indigo. Hi, baby. Hi. Yeah. Hi, baby. I love you. You're a pretty boy. You're such a good boy. Ooh. Look. Look. Who is that? Who is that bird? It's a good boy. Good flying. And today I've got to paint more. This is the last one I did, and I did it a few weeks ago. I've got to get painting. Y'all having breakfast? Eater that Buttercup will eat out of. And it is spill proof unless Buttercup does that. And it filters like any husk or anything like that. It filters into that little. It is so cute too. It's got like a little pink cloud on it. And they're easy to attach to different things. Like this is attached to the. I see Indigo. Maybe not. Indigo. What happened? I displayed my paintings. That top one means a lot. I know y'all are here for the birds, but that top one, that man to the right is no longer with us. That was during a church service after he had prayed for us. Very humble man. Loved him very much. That is my son. He was praying during church. oldest son praying for the man that I was just talking about over here. And that is a gift that I've got to give to someone. Also, those, see, we don't use plug-ins. I set that aside to give to someone. Anyway, those paintings that are on the top shelf, not the one right there, but on the top shelf, is from a man, and I need to insert his name. He's the one that inspired me to pick up a paintbrush and start watercoloring, because he has multiple sclerosis just like I do, but he has lost the ability to use his hands and arms and legs and all of that. And he paints by taping the paintbrush, having someone tape the paintbrush to the brim of his hat. So he uses his head to paint. And I've purchased 3 or 4 of his paintings. The one on top I need to put in a frame is blackbirds, and then the other one is a flying pig. And then I gave a couple to my physical therapist. No, my occupational therapist. Mango thinks that Buttercup is her baby. What are you doing up there? That's why we don't turn the ceiling fan on. Indigo. She rules the roost. She's something else.